reason this video is even coming to the forefront on my channel is that I was reading a Vogue article. I read a lot about beauty, style, fashion, you name it. I am reading all the time, trying to stay up on the latest and the greatest. And I was reading this Vogue article about a company called Hazel, and it's about incontinence. And as I was reading through it, I was really connecting back to my fertility, infertility days of going through IVF and IUI and laparoscopy and all these things where I felt very isolated. I felt very alone. I didn't feel that I could talk to anybody. I felt like I was the only woman in the world going through this, until I became very vulnerable and started writing a blog and started getting into private Facebook groups that were involved with infertility or whatever your issue was, endometriosis, etc. is when I really connected with women. I felt like, oh my gosh, I have such a supportive group. I have so much information. They're sharing things with me. I'm learning so much. I'm getting ready for my laparoscopy. I know what to do. I know what to expect because she went through it already and told me. Amazing, the power of women supporting women. You know that is my big thing on my channel here. That is why I show up, to give you insight, inspiration, bring new products to you. And again, I am not getting paid for this video. I contacted the company myself because I knew this was important for you. And I had a wonderful Zoom conference with the co-creator, Aubrey. We talked about all kinds of different things, like how did you even start this? And why would you even want to go into this space? And she said that there was just such a lack. There was such a lack of support for women going through this in their life. And I thought this was really a great thing to show you. So in the article, which I will link below this video, one of their first products that they developed was this disposable high-waist brief. Now, they took into account all of these women that they basically were talking to. They had all these initial conversations with women about what they needed, about, you know, how they didn't know who to talk to or what was available for them, or what they really wanted something that was going to have no visible panty lines. They wanted black. They wanted it to work. They wanted it to work under leggings. They wanted it to have a control top. Those were the repeated requests that they kept getting. So they developed this wonderful control top panty that when I put it on, I'm like, this fits better than my regular underwear. Like, how is this possible? Wonderful for if you have a leakage issue or you want protection, you want to be able to do your normal routines. It has a pad built into the actual soft fabric here that they have. Again, it's disposable, and it goes from the very top, so you have a very long pad built in, so you have this great protection, and also it can hold up to 1.5 cups of liquid, which is a full bladder. So this is a really wonderful product that can come on a delivery service. You can put this on automotive. So when you open the box, it says, we embrace everything that comes with being a woman. I love that. Their manifesto that also comes in the box was everything that here on the channel we really believe in. It says, you're evolving exquisitely, living life so full it's overflowing, growing gracefully, and behaving boldly. This is who we are here, ladies, on the channel. I knew this was such a great product to feature because I know you could use it. Maybe you have someone you know that could use it, that you could tell about. So you also get the little wipes. They have clean slate wipes, 15 wipes that come in this little package here. And then they also have a stick that is an anti-stick stick that you can use for when in between the legs, more comfortable. So they have really come into the market to normalize leakage, which is really a better word for it than incontinence. It's just leakage, and it's just something that happens, and we deal with it, and we deal with it as a community of women, and we come together and we can share our stories, and we can normalize this, because this is not something to be embarrassed about. I think that you would be very surprised on how many women do deal with this issue than not, but no one really wants to talk about it, and they don't know really where to turn, and they don't know what kind of products are on the market for them. So this is why I wanted to bring this to the forefront. I think that companies like this really change the game for us in what we have available, and just being comfortable and feeling, you know, confident. And you know, when you feel better, you look better. So if you're dealing with a situation like this, and you're feeling very insecure, and you're feeling really that you're not bringing your best self forward because you're so uncomfortable, now you know that there is a company that can help you, that can make this easier and make this time in your life better. And I think that's what's so wonderful about this breaking through, having women develop companies that are changing the lives of other women. And I'm just so excited just how modern it is with the artwork, with everything that has been kind of just really feminine and very inviting and very comfortable and very safe. It's a very safe feeling to say, wow, they really get it. They get a control top, cuts up on my leg, it looks beautiful, you can't see it through jeans, or if I'm wearing my spandex and I'm taking my workout class, amazing. So I have the free trial for you listed below. They offered that to my audience. I was very excited. You can try it. I would love to hear your feedback. It would be very interesting to see if anyone's going to leave a comment below this video about anything that you have to add to this conversation. You can meet me over on Beauty Reinvented, my private Facebook group. We can open up this conversation there also, because it is a private Facebook group. Again, women helping and supporting women. There is no judgment. We are here to be better together. And that's really my mission, ladies, for you. And I can't wait to find more companies that help address issues as we age, things that are unexpected. We don't expect to go through certain things. They are just inevitable, maybe not, but we have amazing modern support and it makes us feel really good. And I'm all about feeling good. So I hope this will help you. I hope it opens the door to conversations about not making this taboo. It is not taboo. It's just something that happens to us and might not happen to you, but I can guarantee you'll know somebody that you could help with this information. So until my next video, I'll see you later.